There are moments in life when everything looks fine on the outside, but inside you feel empty. You wake up tired even after sleeping. You talk to people, but your heart still feels heavy. You try to fix your life with money, goals, or distractions, but nothing truly fills that gap. Many people think they need a big change outside, but sometimes the real change is inside the heart. When you start to put Allah first in your life, something slowly begins to change. Not in one moment, not in a magical way, but step by step. Your thoughts change. Your heart changes. Your way of seeing life becomes different. Today, we will talk about 7 simple things that start changing when you truly start prioritizing Allah in your life. The first thing that changes is your stress. Before this change, small problems feel very big. One bad message can ruin your whole day. One delay can make you angry. One small issue can make you feel lost. But when you start putting Allah first, your heart starts to calm down. You begin to understand that you are not alone in your problems. Allah sees everything, even what you cannot see. You still try your best in life, but you stop carrying everything on your own shoulders. Your heart becomes lighter. You feel a kind of peace even in hard times. People around you may not understand it. They may wonder how you stay calm. But inside, you know your trust is stronger than your fear. And this changes how you handle every situation. The second thing that changes is your relationship with people. Before, you may have depended too much on people for happiness. You wanted their attention, support, and approval. And when they ignored you or hurt you, it affected you deeply. But when Allah becomes your priority, you slowly stop depending too much on people. You still care about them, but you stop letting them control your emotions. You stop chasing approval from everyone. You stop feeling broken when someone leaves or disappoints you. This gives you freedom inside. You become more peaceful. You become stronger in your heart. You start forgiving easier, not because people are perfect, but because your peace no longer depends on them. The third thing that changes is your daily habits. When Allah becomes important to you, you start thinking more about how you spend your time. You begin to feel that some habits are not good for your heart. Too much scrolling, useless talks, or negative things start to feel heavy. At first, it is not easy. You may feel different from your old life. But slowly, you start choosing better habits. You protect your prayers more. You become careful with your words. You try to avoid things that harm your heart and mind. These small changes slowly build a better version of you. Real change does not come in one day. It comes from small daily choices that you repeat again and again. The fourth thing that changes is how you understand problems. Before, every problem feels like a punishment. You ask why this is happening to you. You feel confused and tired. But when you start putting Allah first, your view changes. You begin to see that not every difficulty is bad for you. Some problems are a test. Some problems are a lesson. Some problems are a way to bring you closer to Allah. The pain is still there. The situation is still hard. But your heart starts to understand there is a purpose behind it. You stop only asking why me, and start asking what is this teaching me? And this small change makes a big difference in how you handle life. The fifth thing that changes is your confidence. Many people think confidence comes from money, looks, or popularity. But that kind of confidence is weak. It changes when life changes. When you prioritize Allah, your confidence becomes different. You start to understand your value in a deeper way. You stop feeling small just because someone ignores you. You stop trying to impress everyone. You stop changing yourself just to fit in. Instead, you become more stable inside. You feel more sure about yourself. You speak with more calmness. You stop needing approval from people all the time. This is a quiet but strong confidence that grows inside your heart. The sixth thing that changes is how you feel when you are alone. Everyone feels lonely sometimes. There are moments when you feel like no one understands you. Those moments can feel very heavy. But when you start prioritizing Allah, loneliness feels different. You start to feel that you are never truly alone. Even in silence, your heart feels a connection. You turn to prayer more naturally. You speak to Allah more honestly. You stop running to distractions just to escape your thoughts. Slowly, loneliness becomes a time where your heart becomes stronger instead of weaker. It becomes a time where you reflect and find peace again. The seventh thing that changes is your future direction. Before, you may just follow life without thinking deeply. You chase things without asking where they are taking you. But when Allah becomes your priority, your choices start to change. You think more about what is good for your heart and your life. You stop running after things that only give short happiness. You start making decisions more carefully. Sometimes, things leave your life. Some people move away. Some doors close. But slowly, your life becomes more clear. You start moving in a better direction. You feel more peace in your choices. You begin to understand that Allah is guiding you, even when things do not make sense. The truth is simple. When you put Allah first, life does not become perfect, but your heart becomes stronger, your mind becomes calmer, and your life starts to feel more meaningful. You stop feeling lost all the time. You start feeling guided from inside. If this message touched you, take one small step today. Start rebuilding your connection with Allah slowly. Before you go, remember this. Life will still bring tests. You will still face days when things feel heavy. But when your heart is connected to Allah, you will never face those days alone. Even in your silence, there is support. Even in your pain, there is meaning. Even in your confusion, there is a path being built for you that you cannot see yet. Keep going, even if your steps are small. Small steps still move you forward. And sometimes, the smallest step toward Allah becomes the turning point of your entire life. Do not give up when you feel far. Coming back is always possible. Even if you fall many times, you can always return again. Allah does not close the door for you. The door stays open for anyone who turns back sincerely. That is the mercy you should never forget. And remember this as well. Your life is not random. Every delay has wisdom. Every loss has meaning. Every silent prayer is still heard. Even when nothing changes outside, something is changing inside you. You are being shaped in ways you cannot see yet. One day, you will look back and understand why certain things did not happen. Keep your connection simple. Speak to Allah in your own words. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait for the perfect feeling. Just start where you are. And if you are still here till the end, take it as a sign. You are not stuck. You are not forgotten. You are in a process of being guided back. If you want more simple and powerful reminders like this, subscribe and stay connected.